Good afternoon, fourth standard. Today we are revising the topic short form of number. In the previous class, you learned about expanded form. When we write a number as a sum of place value of its digits, the number is said to be in expanded form. This is the expanded form of a number. 100 plus 60 plus 7. This is the expanded form. Okay. And when we write a number using the digits, the number is said to be in short form. We can write it as 167. This is the short form. Short. Expanded പറഞ്ഞ നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് വലുതാക്കി എഴുതാണ്. Expand. വലുതാക്കുക. അല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ നമ്മളിതിനെ ഷോർട്ടാക്കി എഴുതാം. ചെറുതാക്കി എഴുതാം. ഷോർട്ട് ഫോം. ലെങ്ത് കുറച്ച് എഴുതി. Okay. That is short form is the opposite of expanded form. When we write a number as a sum of place values, this is expanded form. Expanded. Expanded form. Okay. This is its short form. Let us do more examples, children. The next question, 200 plus 30 plus 4. For writing a number in short form, we need to check the positions of the digits, places of the digits. Okay. Here, 4 at 1's place, 3 at 10's place and 2 at 100's place. 4 at 1's place, 3 at 10's place, that is 30, and 2 at 100's place. Let us start from the largest digit, that is hundreds. 2, 3, 4. 234 is the short form of 200 plus 30 plus 4. Clear? Now our next expanded form is 80 plus 4. 80 plus 4. 4 at 1's place and 8 at 10's place. Write 10's place first, that is 8, then 4. So our answer is 84. Okay. Next 800 plus 20 plus 5. Write the place values first. 5 at 1's place, 2 at 10's place and 8 at 100's place. So write 100's place first, 8, then 2, 10's place, then 5. So our answer is 825, 825. Okay. Now we are writing the short form of a 6-digit number. 6-digit number. Okay. First, let us check the places. 6 ones, 5 tens, that is 50, 7 hundreds, that is 700, 8 thousands, 8,000, th for thousands, and 1 10,000s, tth, then 900,000. These are the places. Okay. So which is the largest place, children? 100,000, 100,000. Then write the digits. First write 100,000's place, that is 9. 9. Then 10,000's place 1. Then thousands place 8. 8. Hundreds place 7. Tens place 5. Ones place 6. This is our answer. Read it as 918,756. 918,756. Okay. So children, this is a 6-digit number. It has places ones, tens, 100,000s, 10,000s and 100,000. Here 9 is at 100,000's place. 1 at thousands place. 8 at, sorry children, 1 at 10,000's place, 8 at thousands place. 7 at hundreds place. Okay. Then 5 tens place. 6 ones place. Start from the largest place. So 9, 1, 8, 7, 5, 6 is our answer. 918,756. Clear? Now let us check the other question. First check the places. 8 ones, 2 tens because 20 its place value, 6 hundreds, 4 thousands and 2 100. Children, 4 10,000s and 2 100,000s. Okay, 1 minute. Our number is 200,000 plus 40,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 8. This is a number given as expanded form. Expanded form. Okay. 2 is at 100,000's place because it has 5 zeros. 200,000. Then 4 10,000's place. 40,000. Then 6 hundreds place. 2 tens place 20. Then 8 ones place. Okay. These are the places given. Let us start from the largest place, that is 100,000, then 10,000. Here children, after 10,000, 100 is given. 100 is given. As there is no number in thousands place, it will be 0. 0. ഇവിടെ thousands place തരാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് ആ പ്ലേസിൽ നമ്മൾ 0 എഴുതണം. Then write hundreds place, tens place, then ones place. Okay, children, here the largest place is 100,000. 2 is at 100,000. Then 4 is at 10,000. 4 is at 10,000. Here thousands place is not given. It is empty. Okay. Thousands place is empty. So when you are writing in short form, you will write a 0. Okay. The digit will be 0. Then write hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Okay. Our next question is $70,000 plus 2,000 plus 90 plus 3. Okay. First check the positions, children. Positions. 70,000. 70,000. Let us start from the smallest one. Ones, tens, thousands and 10,000s. 10,000s. Okay. 3 ones, 9 tens, that is 90, 2 thousands, that is 2,000, and 7 10,000s, that is 70,000s. Okay. Start from the largest place. So start from 10,000s place, 7. Then after 10,000 it is 1,000, 2. Now children, here hundreds place is empty. Hundreds place is empty. Hundreds place illa onnum thannatilla. So it will be 0. Okay. A place inde avade nammal 0 ezhudanam. Then write tens place, then ones place. Okay. So 3 ones, 9 tens, 0 hundreds, because no number is mentioned at hundreds place. Then 2 thousands and 7 10,000s. Okay. Now our next number is, the expanded form is 8,000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 2. First check the positions. 2 ones, 7 tens, 9 hundreds and 8 thousands. Okay. Start from the largest place. 8, 9, 7, 2. 8,972. 8,972. Okay. Next number is 300,000 plus 2,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 6. Okay. This is the expanded form given. As I told you, first check the places or positions. 6 at ones place, 7 at tens place, 1 at hundreds place, 2 at thousands place and 3 at 100,000s place. 100,000. Here 10,000 place is empty. 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See 0, 0, 0, 3 zeros in 1000. In 10,000 there are 4 zeros, but that place is empty. അവിടെ ഒന്നുമില്ല. 10,000 place is empty. Empty പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒന്നുമില്ല. Okay. Then start from the largest place, 300,000. And which place is empty? 10,000. Empty ആണെങ്കിൽ ടീച്ചർ എന്ത് പറഞ്ഞു? Put a 0. Okay. As there is no number in 10,000 place, put a 0. Okay. Then 2,000s, 100, 7 tens, 6. How will we read this? 302 in one group, thousands group. So 302,000s, 176. 302,000s, 176. Okay. Let us do one more question. 70,000 plus 9,000 plus 400 plus 3. Okay. What is the first step, children? Check the positions. Positions. Okay. So, ones, 3 ones, 3 ones, 4 hundreds, 9 thousands, and 7 10,000s. Okay, 3 ones, then 400, 0 0, so 400, then 3 zeros, so 9,000s, then 4 zeros, 10,000s. Start from the largest, 7 10,000, 9 thousands, 400. Then where is tens place? There is no tens place here. So the digit will be 0. Isn't it? Tens place illa. Tens place ne kaananilla. It is empty. Avada onnumilla. So teacher endu paranju? Put a 0. Okay. Then 3. So our number is, short form is 79403. Okay. 7 in 10,000s place, 9 in 10,000s place, and 4 in hundreds place. Then there is no tens place, so the digit will be 0, then 3 in ones place. Clear? This number is 79,403. 79,403. Okay. Children, today you learned how to write the short form of a number from the given expanded form. Expanded. Expanded means when we write a number as a sum of place value of its digits, it is known as expanded form. That is 200 plus 60 plus 7. This is the expanded form of a number. When we write this number using the digits, ഇതിൽ നമ്മൾ ഈ ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് മാത്രം എടുത്തെഴുതിയാൽ ആ നമ്പർ എന്താവും? ഷോർട്ട് ഫോം 267. Is it clear? Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you, children.